Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to have multiple eFootball accounts right here on your device, on your Android device. So you can see how to have more than one or two or three one eFootball accounts on your device. So you can see this is already one installed eFootball application here showing on the home screen. I want to get these multiplied, like I have a lot of eFootball accounts. How do I go by this? So let's just go ahead to open our Play Store, and I'll be showing one simple app you can actually use. Most people like using Island application, but this Island application here is one big, it's a little app, yeah, little size, but once you use it, it makes your phone lag, and to be very honest, it really needs a very strong device to run well. So I discovered this app here called multi-run parallel dual app. So if you find this one, try to install it. It is just 5 MB download or 5 or 6 MB download size, and when you're done installing this multi-run, go ahead to open the application. So as you can see, I've installed various eFootball accounts right here. I have one, I have two. All what you have to do is to, once you enter, you're going to see it's fresh. You can try to clone your Play Store, so obviously sign into your account and go ahead to click here on add app. So once you're done add app, just try to wait for like 5 to 10 seconds and it will get everything done. So this is basically one sharp method that works well for people that want to have more than one eFootball account on their devices. So once this shows and display the application that you can find on your phone, you just have to like scroll down to locate your eFootball application like this. So I'll just go ahead to scroll down to see if I locate my eFootball accounts or eFootball. So you can see this here, eFootball, and go ahead to tick this, and I'm going to click on install. So once you have this, it's going to take a few seconds, 3 to 5, and you see that I have my eFootball installed. And what you have to just do is to just go ahead to run and play this. So you can send this to your home screen by creating a shortcut here. Click on it and create shortcut and click on allow. So once I go to my home screen, I should have another eFootball application. You can see eFootball 2, so eFootball 1 and eFootball 2, and you can run it, and I've told you it's tested and it works really well. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.